Hey guys, so today I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Caitlin Sire, and I would like to teach kindergarten, but my degree will allow me to do pre-K to 3rd grade, so any of those grades would be perfectly fine by me. If I had a preference of what subject I could teach, it would be English. I'm an after-school care teacher, but I'll have my 60 hours after the spring semester, and I'd like to start substituting or be a teacher's aide. I like helping children learn, and I like seeing the excitement that pops into their eye when they learn a new thing. I think it's amazing. The teacher that inspired me to become a teacher would probably be my freshman year cheerleading coach, Katie Hendricks. She was a great coach, and she was an even better teacher. She did special ed, so I got to A+ her class one day, and she was amazing. She knows how to handle the children. She helps them learn. Then I am a full-time student. I will get my associate's degree after this semester, and then I'll be going to SEMO in Sexton and getting my next degree. I think I do have experience with different forms of technology. I've taken the educational technology class, so I know how to use almost everything, hopefully, that we'll use in this class. I would like to know with this class, I would like it to help better knowledge me and help me to become a better teacher and an after-school care teacher. So I hope I get to know you guys, and thank you for listening.